Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi, my name is Susan. I'm a YouTuber based in Lagos and you are welcome to my YouTube channel. So guys, in today's video, I'm going to be getting the boho braids on natural hair. Yes guys, I know I'm late to the WhatsApp group, but I decided to try it out. And today I'm not going to be making my hair, my sister-in-law is going to be making it for me. Guys, my hair is freshly washed and deep conditioned. I also applied the leave-in conditioner in the shower. I have a video of that on my channel. If you've not seen it, please go and watch it. My take down and wash day routine. She's just going to be braiding my hair and leaving out two pieces. I'll let you guys watch and see what she's doing. At this point, I was excited and I could not wait to see the end result. Now she's using the Eco Styling Gel to curl the ends and she's going to use it to curl those two strands. I wanted mine to have just two strands because my hair is full and I didn't want it to look too full. But if you want, you can have two strands from each braid or three strands depending on your preference. Guys, one thing about me is once someone touched my hair, I start feeling sleepy. At this point, I was already feeling sleepy and the hair had not even gone halfway. I see moonlight in your eyes, and it's been there for some time. Complicated by your choice. Now there's movement in your voice. Guys, this is what the hair looked like. She made it in box cut, as you can see. The box cut is called a break cut, but I liked the way it looked. At this point, we decided to start watching TV just so that we don't get tired, especially me. I don't fall asleep because if I fall asleep, I won't be putting my head well. Calculating So guys, if you have a hair clip, just use it to clip those strands that you are bringing out to prevent it from disturbing you while braiding. I need to get those clips too for myself. But here she just used the cotton comb to hold the strands at one point, then the other one she just left it so it won't disturb her while she's braiding. You can see it clearly from this side. At this point, this young lady was tired and sleepy and hungry. I told her, and we went to eat and we are back. And we are almost done. I was so tired. My hair was really full. At this point, I'm like, can this hair just finish? That's why I was touching it and I was happy because I knew we're almost done. Guys, look at that bounce. Can you see that? My hair is healthy. You should be watching my YouTube videos. I know I'm not the only one that hates it when hairstylists split the hair into two and you feel like, oh my god, I thought we were done. Guys, it was getting late and we began to lose daylight. Like it was already getting dark. But thank God we're almost done. This is like the second to the last one, or the last one, I think. Look at that relief. I was so happy, finally. Now guys, she's going to be applying my hair growth oil on my scalp. I have a video of this oil on my channel. If you've not seen it, I'm going to leave a link in the description box. Please do well to check it out. This process was so relaxing. I really enjoyed it. When she was done, I just massaged my scalp to make sure that the oil gets through and just help with blood circulation. Hi guys, this is the finished look. Guys, to be honest, this is 2 weeks later. I don't know how I misplaced the end of those clips and I decided to film it for you guys again. I just refreshed my curls with eco styling gel and a mousse, and that's it. I've been enjoying this hair. I have it in a half up and down with these two, I don't know what to call it, in front, and it just looks so cute and beautiful. This is really lovely hairstyle. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye guys.